Mini CJ. Today I want to come to you with some products that I have duped, my high-end products I have to look on right now. Half of my side, this side is high-end, and this side are my dupe products. So if you are interested in seeing this video, keep on watching. I wanted to dupe some of my favorite high-end products that I use almost now on a daily basis, and I wanted to see if I could come up and find products that are really close in quality or even better in quality from the drugstore, and I think I did it. As you can tell in the beginning of the video, on this side I have my high-end, and on this side I have the dupe. You cannot tell the difference at all. So I'm gonna jump right into it. So you guys know so far I've been loving this foundation here. This foundation is so good. It's by Lancome. Okay, and it is in the shade 425 Bis W. So usually I'm neutral, but this warm right here is really perfect for my skin. The dupe for this is the L'Oreal True Match, and this is in, let's see, Classic Tan in number 7. Okay, this is, it wears exactly the same as the Lancome. I love Lancome and I love L'Oreal as well. So I'm going to show you on this side. I think I'm going to use, this side is going to be just the regular high-end L'Oreal, and the dupe ones are going to be on this side. Okay, so let's go. I'm going ahead and start. I already have my skincare on. I have my hyaluronic acid and vitamin C from Go Pure. You guys know I love Go Pure serums. Link in the description box below. So I'm going to use 2 different brushes, makeup brushes. Okay, so this brush I'm going to use Lonnie brush, and the other side is just a regular little makeup brush. So again, I always apply foundations like this. I kind of take it on first and stipple it on. So this is the Lancome side. Okay, and I have 2 beauty sponges. So one's going to be for this side and one's going to be for this side. And I like to take my sponge and just shear it out a little bit, just to shear my foundation. I really like a natural type look. Okay, so that's the Lancome side. Now this is the L'Oreal side. Any excess foundation, I just like to tap it off with the sponge. It just helps the foundation look a little natural, and I'm all about a natural look. Especially when you have to wear these masks, right? Just looking at it, I don't know, it looks actually the same. Okay, I've tested these out. They wear the same, they feel the same. I mean, they look really, really good. I like it. I like the way this looks completely. I love it. Like this. I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows off camera, so I'll be right back. Okay, and so one of my favorite palettes is the BIBA Palette by Tasha Denona, and I only have 3 shades on my lid right now. I use Freckles, Pasha, and Tusk. Okay, so what I have is and I'm gonna use a different brush. I use this little brush. We're gonna use this brush by let's see, the Blender Pro Sonia G, and I'm gonna use the Milani Most Love Mattes palette by Milani, and we're gonna try these shades. I'm going to try this shade right here, this deeper shade, and that light shade. So I'm gonna try this, and this, and see if we can get the same combination look as this eye. Okay, so I'm going to start off with this color right here. Did the same thing, basically all over the, it's like a transition shade I like to use, but I'm not bringing it all the way down to the lid. I'm just doing it up here up top. Something really natural. And I love mattes, as you guys know. I love mattes. And then on the outer corner, I think I'm going to take this deeper shade right here in the middle. It says, it's called Don't Raise in Your Voice, okay? And so, right on the outer corners, like it's a little deeper on this end. A little deeper, so let's blend that out some. And I want it to be more of a plummy type color. So this might be a little deeper, but still it works. I've tried it before with this. And then for the lid, let's use a different brush. The lighter shade, just like I have the lighter shade on this one. And it really looks identical. I cannot tell the difference in the two shades at all. Look at this. I'm just going to use the same liquid liner that I always use on both eyes and just make a little wing. And you know what? I really cannot tell. This may be just a little bit more pigmented in color. All in all, I actually like it. So I'm going to take, let's see, I'm just going to use the freckle, the lighter brown right here up under there. And I'm going to take the other lighter brown. And I'm just going to take this other brush and use it, same shade under this eye. I do not have Dupe eyeliner, so I'm just going to use my NARS in both just to deepen it up just a tad. This is a brown eyeliner by NARS. We just put it in. You cannot even tell the difference at all. So far, so good. So now this is the Charlotte Tilbury. Okay. What I don't like about this is it gets really messy, but I like this concealer. I like it. This top right here, it gets so messy. But the dupe for this that I think wears really well is the Age Rewind. Same little spongy little top, but the consistency is so good. Charlotte Tilbury on this side. And I already started applying some of the on this side. Just wanted to show you what I did. Okay. Age Rewind on this side, Charlotte Tilbury on this side. And I usually take my fingers and kind of first blend it in. Kind of clean up the edges around here. Same thing with this. And then I take the beauty sponge on this side and kind of just, this helps with creasing so it doesn't crease as much at all. I'm going to just use my Charlotte Tilbury because it's here, so we're not duping powder right now, but I want to just add a little bit. Okay, so now I have my face done. I'm going to apply the Becca, let's say the Becca Opal on this side. I do not have a dupe for blush, So I already have my blush on that I use, and I just use the Milani Doja Pink, just a little bit on here, and I'm going to use the Becca Opal. I'm not going to open it up too much because I dropped it and it broke. But the dupe for that is Milani, and it is in 03 Sun Glow. So let's see. I'm going to use, yes, my little highlighter brush. This is the Opal. That's that brush, and we're going to use the other brush. A bit on this side of the nose and a little bit on this side of the nose. So. But they look almost identical. Now for the lipsticks, I have Pat McGrath's, and this is called Elson. So this is that shade right here, and this is from Pat McGrath, and this one is by Milani, and it is called Matte Confidence, and I'm going to put it right on the side. Look at these two shades. They're just about almost the same. I think Milani has a little bit more blue in it, but anyway, we're going to put Milani on this side. Too much. Let's see, there we go. Okay, and we're going to put Pat McGrath's Elton red on this side. Can't even tell the difference. It's amazing. Setting spray by Anastasia Beverly here, the whole thing. Okay, and this is the final look. If you really look close, you can tell that this side is a little bit more pigmented than this side on the eyeshadow. But other than that, the foundation looks the same. Cannot tell the difference at all. I wanted to do this video because I believe that you can find really good quality makeup and products that are dupe to high-end products. You know, you don't have to go out and spend a fortune, especially, you know, during this time, the pandemic. A lot of people don't have money, you know, to actually spend on these high-end products. So I wanted to do this video just to show you a look that you can achieve using drugstore products. So anyway, guys, thank you so very much for tuning in. As always, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel on your way out if you haven't done so already. Peace and love until next time. Mwah. Bye.